And now we have to web the machine. We're going to take our film, put it underneath the idler bar, like so. And then we're going to bring the film down over the roller. Be careful because the film is going to get tacky and the rollers are high. The next thing we want to do is to center our film over this roller by sliding it back and forth. Get it centered and tighten down our hubs. Next, we're going to take our bottom supply, bring it underneath this idler bar, make sure the idler bar is out. Bring the film up. And we're going to tack this film to the top film. We want to make sure it's centered left and right with the other roll of film, and just place the film over top the other. The two films will fuse together from the heat of the roller. Next, we're going to take our feed table, put it back onto the laminator, and we're going to drop our guard down. Next, we need our leader board. We're going to take the leader board and hit run on the machine. We're going to take our leader board and we're going to force it into the laminator. As you see, this will bring the film into the machine. It'll come out the back rollers and exit the laminator. Once the leader board exits the laminator, we now can come over here and hit the stop button. Next, we take our cross cutter and cut this material off the laminator. Now we're ready to laminate. For this particular material that we're running, we're going to go to speed 3 on the laminator. Once this is up to temperature, we can start laminating. Now that our light is not flashing anymore, our laminator is up to temperature and we're ready to laminate. What we have supplied with the machine is 2 document guides. By turning these knobs counterclockwise, we can move them in and out on the laminator. What I'm going to be laminating is some 8.5 by 11 images. I'm going to take these, knock this one down, and take this one and move it over to about here. Now I'm going to take my images, I'm going to hit the run button on the laminator, and now I'm going to start laminating. I'll take my images, line them up to the guide, and start feeding them in to the laminator. Once this set goes through, I can send my other set through the laminator. I will keep running my prints into the laminator until my job is complete. As you can see in the back of the machine, the laminated prints are coming out with a nice high gloss and side to side to each other. Once my last images come out of the laminator and past the cutter in the back, I'll depress the stop button to stop the lamination function. Now I'll take my cross cutter to trim my prints off the laminator. I'll go from the center, drop my cutter down, go over to the edge and trim, come back to the center and out the other way.